called Vuba, and it's like a bonded stone which stays fixed. You know, this Vuba's, once it's laid, it's done.
We're excited to bring you this VubaMac project for a very high-profile family. I'm Evie, one of the content creators at Vuba. The guys doing the hard work are Surelay, a very experienced Vuba-approved installer. Surelay are owned by brothers Bill.
How are you doing?
And Lee. This project is exciting for two reasons. Firstly, it features our new VubaMac, and secondly, it's for the home of former England footballer Peter Crouch and his wife, model and TV presenter Abby Clancy. VubaMac is our new base for Vuba resin, which until now had been a topping for other surfaces. VubaMac is an incredibly strong, permeable and flexible base that bonds monolithically to the top Vuba layer. 57% stronger than asphalt, VubaMac is applied like a normal resin system and compacted with a power trowel or a roller. This is what Bill of Surelay had to say.
This VubaMac system helps with draining. It also has a mesh underneath it which stabilises the ground underneath and helps with load bearing, and you can get it to such a good level ready for your top surface. It cures very quickly, allowing you, if so on a smaller area, to be able to lay your resin bound finish straight away that day and get the job finished for the client while the sun's shining.
Now we're ready for the Vuba surface. We had some custom samples made for Abby. These are now on our website as Abbey Lodge and Clancy Manor. We have over 200 colour choices available from around the world, dependent on local availability. The Vuba surface in stunning Clancy Manor was then expertly applied by Vuba-approved installers Surelay. This colour is a beautiful blend of Spanish marble and Irish quartz, exclusively available from Vuba. The Vuba surface has to be laid at a depth of 3/4 of an inch over the VubaMac base. Compacting the surface after spreading is very important, so the surface is closed and resistant to tyre traffic. Vuba is installed in the heat of Arizona, freezing temperatures of Eastern Europe, the disparate climate of the US, and the intense heat of the UAE. Wherever you would like a stunning, environmentally friendly, permeable surface, Vuba can deliver. At Vuba, our mission is to bring awareness to this beautiful, permeable surface to help prevent flooding and save the environment. Along the way, we've managed to create some stunning colours and a highly resilient system capable of coping with both the freeze-thaw cycle and high UV irradiation. And our customer base and followers include Hollywood A-listers and Premiership footballers. Wherever you are in the world, choose a Vuba surface. We'd like to give a special thanks to Surelay for their help with this project. Surelay are based in Surrey and carry out projects throughout the UK.